Mamdara and I am pursuing Diploma in Game Engineering at CMED. I am here to talk about my role in the game 404 Memories Not Found. In the game, the player uses 8 skills. As programmer, I was responsible for programming 4 skills out of the 8 skills which the player uses. I was also responsible for programming the stat system. The player has 3 stats in the game: health, mana and damage. I also programmed the entire UI of the game, including the main menu, HUD and in-game damage counters which are being shown in the game. I also programmed the upgrade system for the player. Since the game is an action RPG, the player collects the upgrade points to upgrade his stats. So that system was programmed by me. I was also responsible for programming the generic framework for the AI. There are 3 types of enemies in the game, and each enemy inherits their behavior from this generic framework. While this framework was also used by the fellow programmer to implement the specific behavior and representation of the enemy skills.
Hi, I am Kushal Dakshesh and I am currently pursuing Diploma in Game Engineering. I am here to talk about my role in the game 404 Memories Not Found. As a programmer of the project, I implemented a control scheme which includes player control, mouse control and we talked about camera work. I also implemented 4 skills out of the 8 skills and also controlled them so that we don't affect each other. I also implemented a final scheme, Kamehameha. I was also responsible for the small puzzle in the game where I implemented an object pulling and pushing mechanism. Here the door is being triggered through a pressure wave. I also did the bit of the camera for the puzzle and the cutscene that I have implemented in the beginning of the game, where I used the framework given by the another team programmer and implemented the different skills of the different NPCs and was responsible for how and when those skills will be executed.
Hi, I am Ganesh, student of Diploma in Game Engineering and pursuing game design. When we started working on this project, we made a 1-page pitch document. As we are a fan of Ritika online mobile game, that game is action RPG. In 1-page pitch document, we set fantasy theme and genre was action RPG. In core mechanics, we had 3 core mechanics. First one was combat because of action RPG. Player will be doing combat all the time, killing all the enemies. Exploration was second core mechanic. Player will be exploring the whole level, and while exploring, third mechanic was collecting. He will be collecting fragments. Those fragments will give him stat points. I set winning conditions and failure conditions. In winning conditions, of course player will have to reach the end of the level by killing all the enemies and collecting fragments. Then failure condition was dying. Objective was collecting all the fragments, killing all the enemies and exploring whole level. After that, I created a GTD for this game in detail. Who is the character, what kind of environment we are working on, how many skill player will have, how many minions will be there in the level, where will be the boss, what kind of skill he will have. In production phase, I maintained the production log, collecting feedback from all the game testers and making sure that all those feedback problems were corrected and solved.
Hello, my name is Mayur. I am currently pursuing BFA Game Design. I am here to talk about the production of the game 404. I was assigned as an artist for this game. So in this production phase of this game, I made several sketches by taking some of the references. I made several interactions with my team and finalized the artwork for the game. We moved this game toward a kind of ancient theme. After finalizing the artwork by the medium of sketches, we started making 3D modeling and texturing. I was responsible for all of the artwork in this game, including sketches and 3D modeling. I learned some technical stuff in this game as an artist, which we have to take care